All this stuff in the middle?
All this stuff in the middle plus this dog crate, so.
Okay.
Dog crate. So, but yeah, all of this is gonna be, that'll be donated, but yep.
And you guys went through it. We're not going to take anything that we're not supposed to take, right?
Okay.
Because last time we took something that I know that your wife was like, oh, do you still have that thing? I'm like, nah. We threw
that was
everything
my grandfather's something, but yeah.
Yeah, I felt so bad. I'm like,
not,
I went through all the things. Like, no, it's all
my
gone.
My ex-wife is fine. So we're not to do it, and she went ahead and did it.
Okay, so all this stuff we're going to grab.
Yeah, and then we'll.
This rod.
Yeah, and then, yeah. So that and then those tiles too. So.
Okay.
But then the rest of it we'll leave.
You got it, brother. Give me a second. We'll get it loaded up. Okay. We got Brooke here. Let's go get some gloves. I got them right here, Brooke. Got some gloves for you. Oh, actually. Brand new.
How bad this be?
After that happened, she left, and so it was like, I think that's why she didn't really care. She's like, oops, sorry.
Oh, Lord, that thing's heavy. Dude, that thing's very heavy. I didn't think it was that heavy. The little treadmill. Oh, vicious. Look at him. Yeah. Hey, guys.
Oh my goodness.
They're just so, they're just happy. What's up? What's up?
You guys take this bike at all? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll take everything.
Awesome.
We take anything. We take ex-wives. We take ex-mother-in-laws. Everything. We'll take them. Jump
Well, I
down.
went to grab it and I couldn't grab this. My knees
Yeah.
are falling up. Okay, go.
Okay.
Thank you.
You got anything else?
That's it.
Okay, do you want a Venmo, check, cash, card?
What's the...
$3.75 for everything.
Okay.
That's it.
Is it this one first or does it
Little garage. Yeah, put it in there.
Oh.
That's it.